I want you to see the actual view of my classrooms. I say good morning, guys. Vincent Cavite Benola.
Kathleen Danyo, a young journalist. I'm the breadwinner of the family since I don't have father and mother.
We have here Athena Rose Aro.
Luckily, I won almost 30 pesos at gold medals during original, provincial, and area contests in swimming.
Do you notice when students come to school with some food versus if they go to school on an empty stomach?
And the child go to school without any intake food. The lessons teach by the teacher is nonsense because they will not listen. The big impact when Thrive came to our community. Before Thrive came, only 55% is the attendance rate here. Like Kathleen, she always do absence, and now he is our young journalist and won 2 gold medals.
How has Thrive helped you daily complete your tasks?
Pag papaang Thrive na kanang ako makasuke nga pamakoy kaon niya pagkaman magluya ko sa paan sa eskwelahan pagkaman ka itong naabot na ang Thrive nakakaon ako niya makapaminang tapos ko kayo sa paan eskwela.
Something you're able to do now that maybe was harder before like Thrive came in and helped out?
Tagaan ko niya gusto ko tagaan ko niya pas malawas o tagaan ko niya
What does your schedule look like providing and also going getting an education?
Kinaunhan manindig pa ko pagkahuman magluto pagkaman ko dito ko sa dagat kay mga kuan malukot yan na niya pagkahuman ako na siya ibaligyan niya ihatag sa akong gula niya pagkaman ko na inigkauto na mo ato na ako sa eskwelahan kay mag-class ay kanang mga prutas po especially kanang kuan kada mga hot meals kanang mga kuan manok na.
Before Thrive games, a lot of children here this doesn't experience eating chicken.
Feeding program helps me a lot, especially the food they provide are very nutritious. Thrive nagkahatag na ko pagkaon para makapaminaw ko kayo niya. Di ko para sumali kanang makuhanan sa mga sakit o mabaskog ang lawon.
Thank you.
Thank you.